This video will walk you through how to use Agency Project OS to manage all projects and clients in one place efficiently. You can grab this Agency Project OS in the description. This is one of the modules of the Agency Second Brain. If you're seeking a complete system to manage your agency, explore the all-in-one Agency Second Brain bundle for robust agency management and efficiency. You can find it at the second link in the description below. Without further ado, let's dive into it. At the Overview dashboard, your team can view external projects in the pipeline, external tasks, sprints, meetings, key contacts, and clients. First, let's create a new project from scratch. Here we assume that this project is an external project for a client, so don't tick the internal project checkbox. If it's an internal project, it will only appear on the internal page. We will also have a walkthrough later. For now, let's fill out other details like the company. Industry is a roll-up property here. Once you choose the company, it will automatically fill out. Contact person, priority, service, etc. For company and key contact information, you can create first in the project database, or you can also create separately in each database with more detailed info. For demonstration purposes, let's create them here first, and I will show you how these databases are connected with each other later. Once you choose the deadline of the project, the countdown will automatically be filled with a formula, and it will appear on the dashboard to remind your team members. Lastly, choose a team member or your project manager for this project. When you scroll down on the project detail page, you can see all related tasks, sprints, and meetings of the project. Let's create one for each, so you will have an overall idea of how this works. In every meeting, detail page, you will find a meeting agenda below. Every sprint is created under a project, so on the project detail page, you can also see related sprints in it. Of course, you can also create an independent sprint to have quick IDs or brainstorm with the team and don't have any related project. We will have a closer look at the sprint page later. In each sprint detail page, we can also find related tasks and meetings. The tasks database is filtered with status, daily, and weekly tasks. All the tasks in this dashboard are related to external projects. Internal project tasks will only appear on the internal page and my board, which we will also walk through later. Next, sprints. Here you can view all external sprints grouped by status and projects. Or you can also view all sprints at once by clicking the third tab, All. You can see some sprints are related to others. This function called dependencies. With this function, you can clearly view the relation between each sprint, sprints that are blocking or being blocked by another one. Click into each sprint page, and we can view all details about the sprint as well as related tasks and meetings. Next, meetings. Here you can view both internal and external meetings in weekly and monthly views. Click into each meeting page, and you can add all details about the meeting. If it belongs to projects or sprints, you can also connect them here. You will see this meeting also appear in the related project and sprint detail page. Scrolling down, you can add a meeting agenda to it. Next, contact. Here, your team can view all key contacts from different institutions your agency is interacting with. Click into each key contact page, and you can start to fill out all detailed info about this contact. Relate to the company database, email, job title, etc. A follow-up date will be automatically added when you set the last contact date. The default setting is set to 3 days after the last contact date. You can change the number in the formula easily. To add a profile picture for the contact person, you can upload an image at the avatar property. The friendliness property will be shown at the front once you give it a number from 0 to 5. Next, client. Click into the client detail page, and you will find all detailed info about this company. If you have already related the company with a key contact person here, you will see the contact info here as well. Under the client detail page, you will find the client portal below. These are documents that you will need to send to the client during different stages of the project process. Next, internal page. At the internal page, you can view all internal projects, tasks, meetings, marketing, and goals. In the project section, your team can view all internal projects here, filtered by status. The priority, countdown, and assignee will be shown on the right. The internal task section is filtered by status, daily tasks, and weekly views. The internal meeting section can be viewed in both weekly and monthly views. On every meeting page, you can find detailed meeting agendas. The marketing section is for you to track all existing ad campaigns across different social platforms. filtered by platforms and services. You can change or add any platforms according to your needs. To rearrange the order, you can click the three dots on the right, click into the group, and change the order of the platform here. Next, My Board. My Board is a team function in this management system. Each team member in your agency can have their own personal dashboard. If you have changed anything for the database here, please don't click Save for Everyone to maintain default settings for other team members. In the Project section, they can view both external and internal projects assigned to them. In the Task section, your team members can view all tasks assigned to them specifically in this dashboard in daily and weekly views. They can also view all their responsible tasks at once. Scrolling down, they will also be able to see sprints that are assigned to them. In the Meeting section, they can view both external and internal meetings that have added them as attendees in the Meeting Detail page in weekly and monthly views. Next, Pipeline. On this page, all your team can view both internal and external projects in the pipeline as well as their status and progress. Next, Sprints. On this page, we separate external sprints for client projects and internal sprints for the agency itself. Both are filtered by status and projects. Progress and assignee are shown at the sprint timeline. Next, Task. Here, your team can view all external and internal tasks filtered by status, daily, and weekly tasks. Next, Meeting. Here, all upcoming external and internal meetings are managed in a monthly calendar view. Inside every meeting detail page, you can edit the meeting agenda. Next, Company. On this page, you can view all companies your agency has interacted with, filtered by status. If you want to edit the status, you can simply change it here. To rearrange the order, click the three dots on the right to change it. Next, Contact. Here, your team can view all key contact persons from different companies with job titles, friendliness rate, and follow-up date at the front. Next, Bonus. Portfolio page. This page is where you can manage all of your astonishing previous works with case studies in one place. This database will be embedded in the proposal you send to your client. Let's have a look at how this works. You only have to add your new works here, and all the proposals you send out to your prospects will automatically be synced. This helps you raise your closing rate on sales calls. Documentation page. Documentations are all important pages included in the client portal. You can adjust them according to your needs. Template page. I have included many plug-and-play templates for outreach and content creation. Once you download them, you can use them as inspiration. Next, Archive. This page serves as a comprehensive repository, securely storing all completed tasks, projects, sprints, contacts, and other essential elements of your agency's project management, ensuring everything is readily accessible for future reference when needed. We can find in every detail page of different databases, there is an archive checkbox. Once you check it, the data will appear on the archive page. If you accidentally check it, simply press Command+Z to undo, then you will see the data comes back to the database. If you don't need the data anymore, you can simply delete it. That's it for the tutorial. Hope you like it. You can grab your Agency Project OS in the description below. If you're seeking a complete system to manage your agency, the Agency Second Brain Bundle is at the second link in the description below. Subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Until next time.